Good afternoon. This is Gordy Bunch, Chairman of the Woodlands Township Board of Directors, and I'm here to give you an update regarding our coronavirus situation here in the Woodlands. We just recently received a new order from Montgomery County Judge Keough, and I want to help our residents understand the impacts this will have to them. So first of all, Judge Keough is now, effective 11:59 p.m. tonight, going to be instituting a new curfew. No one will be allowed on the streets from midnight through 6 a.m. that's not part of an essential business or essential personnel. All individuals currently living within Montgomery County are ordered to stay at their place of residence except for essential activities as defined in this order. All persons may leave their residence only for essential activities or to provide or perform essential government functions, or to operate or work at an essential business as defined in this order. For the purposes of this order, residents include homes, hotels, motels, shared rentals, RV parks, and multifamily complexes. To the extent individuals are using shared or outdoor spaces, they must at all times, as reasonably possible, maintain social distancing of at least 6 feet of any other person outside their residence. The curfew taking effect tonight at midnight through 6 a.m. or for all personnel not performing essential government functions. All businesses operating within Montgomery County except essential businesses as defined below in Section 2 of our attachment shall cease all activities at facilities located within the county. For clarity, businesses may continue operations consisting exclusively of employees and contractors performing activities at their own residence, so we are encouraging those who can to work from home. Those employees associated with ongoing physical maintenance and non-essential businesses. To the greatest extent possible, all essential businesses shall comply with social distancing guidelines, including maintaining a 6-foot social distance for both employees and the general public. For essential businesses, that means 6-foot spacing within your own business operations and no social gatherings, even if you're an essential business. All public and private gatherings of any number of people occurring outside a single household or living unit are now prohibited. Except as otherwise provided in here, nothing in the order prohibits gatherings of members of its own household. Individuals may go to public parks and open outdoor recreation areas. However, public playgrounds that are and can increase the spread of COVID-19 are therefore closed. Biking, waterborne activities, and hiking and other outdoor recreation are still acceptable. I am here at one of our township parks where our crew is now tying up the basketball nets because over the last 2 weeks, even though our township parks have been closed, we still have had residents utilizing our parks. This order from the county now makes it a Class B misdemeanor to be using these facilities against his order. We will today be locking up the tennis courts, removing the nets on our volleyball courts, and tying up all of our basketball court netting. As a physical barrier and reminder, these parks are indeed closed. You will be able to use our pathways. We have 220 miles of pathway systems and our nature trails, while still exhibiting social distancing from non-family members. Biking is still encouraged. Again, maintain your spacing. Restaurants are still able to do to-go delivery and takeout, inclusive of delivery of alcoholic beverages, as the governor has amended as a statewide order. We're still encouraging you to do what you can to help our local restaurants, buy gift cards, and do takeout. Gyms and other fitness facilities are closed countywide. Hair salons, nail salons, spas, massage businesses are also now closed. Churches and synagogues had an amendment to their order. They are encouraged to do virtual, but they will also be allowed to do drive-in services. There are definitions attached to the order. We'll include that with our afternoon press release. We just received from the Montgomery County Public Health Department confirmation of 6 additional confirmed cases in the county. That brings Montgomery County's total up to number 47. The last 2 cases that were reported are actually Woodlands residents between the ages of 20 and 29. We know that many people early on communicated and believed that this was a disease that was disproportionately affecting the elderly. In fact, Montgomery County's number do not support that assertion. The vast majority of the cases in Montgomery County are in their 40s or younger. We need to live up to the orders that have been given to us by Montgomery County and Harris County. We need to honor the township's park closure orders, recognize that this impacts not just the young, but those of us who are middle-aged, our parents, our children. Together, if we all do the right things, we can help stop the spread within our community. So we will be sending out our daily update. Our daily update is going to include the Harris County count information. We'll also include our grocery stores, which are now offering special hours for seniors. We have that updated. So if you're a senior and you want to shop at a time where it's contained and not going to be overrun, each of our grocery stores have accommodating hours. We do encourage you to sign up for our daily township newsletter. Links to how you can get onto that will be included in our release. The Woodlands Township is going to host a special meeting next Thursday. It will again be virtual. We will also have that timing and links on how you can attend our virtual board meeting next Thursday once the final time has been determined. This is just a quick reminder that although we are seeing a rise in numbers, we expected to see these rises. As more testing is being administered, we have no doubt that we have more people in our community that will come up as positive. You should be practicing as if you are positive and as if anyone you're coming into contact is positive. If you take that viewpoint, remember washing your hands, not touching hard surfaces, cleaning frequently can help reduce the spread. This is a tremendously difficult time for many of our businesses in our community and many of our people. We know that a stimulus package has just passed the U.S. Congress. We know that help is on the way from a number of different areas. Your township board is fully engaged. Our professional staff is fully engaged. The Woodlands Fire Department is fully engaged. And we are here to support our community in this time of crisis. We ask you to do your part as we continue to do our part, and together we will get through coronavirus 19 safely on the other side. Look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to you visiting our site and seeing you next Thursday virtually at our next Woodlands Township Board of Directors virtual meeting.